Welcome fans to the third unboxing of the Spin Master Monster Jam series, and it is going to be Wonder Woman, my first DC unboxing Monster Jam truck. On the back of the box, Race Them All, True Metal, Pirate's Curse, Max D, Maximum Destruction, Grave Digger, we have Bounty Hunter, Megalodon, El Toro Loco, and Monster Mutt Dalmatian. You choose the winner with the Monster Jam figurine. You get one truck, one figure, and one poster. And Wonder Woman is in the Dangerous Divas series. So let's go ahead and unbox Wonder Woman and take a closer look. There we go. Here's Wonder Woman, and we get a different little figurine. And this one, it is in the shape of a woman, and she is holding a tire. I mean, not a tire, she's holding the steering wheel. And on the back, she even has hair. Of course, right? Coming out of the helmet. Let's go ahead and jump into the truck. It has the BKT tires. And the tread on the tires is also different than the Hot Wheels version. Red wheels. Awesome. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. It says Wonder Woman. There's the Monster Jam logo. Maybe I was getting too close, sorry about that. Just trying my best here. The Wonder Woman. Very nice. Can you see inside? Look at that, you can see her in there driving. Oh, there is a steering wheel. I couldn't see them from Gravedigger or Max D, but didn't know that there was a steering wheel inside. Here's the opposite side of Wonder Woman. And the Wonder Woman in the background right there. So let's go ahead. A nice big size of her lasso. Really cool. You can see the motor inside the hole. That's cool. And you can see some of, like, it looks almost like it's chipped or something, but it's supposed to be like that. What Monster Jam OCD said, because of the real truck, just kind of like battle scars or battle damage of being a superhero, I'm guessing. And that's very cool. Another thing that I forgot to mention that's part of Wonder Woman is here up top, what she wears on her head. If you ever watched the movies, the lasso is bigger. Let me bring in the Hot Wheels truck so you can see the difference. So on the Hot Wheels truck, we had a bigger W in the front than the one on Spin Master. A different color too for the truck. It was a little bit darker. I don't know if you can see it or not, but a little bit darker color red for Wonder Woman than Spin Master's version. There's not a gap there, and there's hardly a gap here like the version on the Hot Wheels. So that's nice. They fixed that up, and it looks really cool. Awesome. Back here I was wondering what that was earlier, but back here it's very small. There's some copyright on there. And yeah, awesome. Wonder Woman. Thank you guys for tuning in. hopefully you enjoyed these reviews that I'm coming with the Spin Master Monster Jam series.